What if I told you that the secret to incredible muscle gains, boundless energy, and a healthier life doesn't lie in a steak, but in a salad? Welcome to the world of vegan gains. Stay tuned, because this is going to shake up your world. The carnivore diet is a polar opposite to veganism. Some proponents claim that an all-meat diet is the key to ultimate health and performance. But is it really? Let's dissect the data. Studies show that plant-based diets can provide all the necessary nutrients, while the carnivore diet lacks essential fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. So, the debate rages on. Can you build muscle on a vegan diet? With the right approach, you can get all the protein you need from plants. Think lentils, chickpeas, tofu, and quinoa. These are rich in protein and perfect for muscle growth. And guess what? Research suggests that vegans have lower rates of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. That's some serious food for thought. Eating vegan is a powerful way to support the environment due to its significant impact on reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The livestock industry is a major contributor to greenhouse gases such as methane and nitrous oxide, which are far more potent than carbon dioxide. The production of animal-based foods requires vast amounts of resources, including water, land, and feed. This reduction in greenhouse gas emissions helps mitigate climate change and preserves our fragile ecosystem. So, you're intrigued by the idea of vegan gains. Here's how to start. You don't have to go all in right away. Start with just one day a week and work your way up from there. Educate yourself. Learn about proper nutrition to ensure you're meeting all your dietary needs. Plan balanced meals. Experiment with recipes. Get creative in the kitchen and try new vegan recipes to keep things exciting. Stay mindful of nutrients. Pay attention to vitamins like B12 and D, and consider supplements if needed. Seek support. Join online communities or local groups to connect with fellow vegans and share experiences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. If you'd like to find out more about vegan gains, check out this video next.